Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about operator precedence in C. In the previous section we had seen what are the operator are available in C. Then what is the operator precedence in C? The operator precedence determine which operator is evaluated first when an expression has more than one operators. The operator precedence is nothing but the which operator is evaluated first when an expression has more than one operator. For example, suppose there is a expression 100 minus 2 into 30. So the output of this expression is 40 because it is evaluated as 100 minus into the bracket 2 into 30 and not the 100 minus 2 into the bracket into 30. So the reason is that the multiplication, that means star operator, has higher precedence than the subtraction. So the operator precedence means nothing but the which operator is evaluated first. From that operator precedence we decide that which operator is evaluated first. The operator precedence determine the grouping of the term in an expression and decide how the expression is evaluated. Certain operators have higher precedence than others. For example, multiplication operator has higher precedence than the addition operator. For example, x equal to 7 plus 3 into 2. Here x is assigned to 13 because the output of this expression is 13. How it is not the 20? Because the multiplication operator has higher precedence than the addition operator. So it is first get the multiplied with 3 into 2 and then add into 7. So this is the operator precedence in C. Now second concept is the associativity in C. So operator associativity is used when two operator of same precedence appear in an expression. So associativity can be either left to right or right to left. There are two possibilities. The operator will be associated into two way, left to right or right to left. For example, the star and slash have the same precedence and their associativity is left to right. So the expression 100 upon 10 into 10 is treated as into the bracket 100 upon 10 bracket complete star 10. So it is associativity of that operator is left to right. So here is the operator precedence and associativity table in a C programming. That means all the operator are described here, the description operator and their associativity. So the function expression, that means the brackets, opening closing bracket, when we solve the expression, if there are bracket in expression, then bracket will be solved first. So left to right associativity of that bracket. Now array expression, square bracket pair, it is also left to right associativity. Then structure operators, this is called as the structure operator, it has also associativity left to right. Now unary minus, it has the associativity right to left. Then increment decrement operator, minus minus plus plus is the increment decrement operator, it has also associativity right to left. Now ones complement, tilde operator has the associativity right to left. Then pointer operator, ampersand and star, these have also associativity right to left. Then typecasting, here data type, here this also have the associativity right to left. Then size of operator, this size of operator is used to find out the size of particular variable. So it has also associativity right to left. Then left left and right shift operator, it has also associativity right to left. Now next one is the arithmetic operator. The multiplication, divide and modulus. Multiplication, divide and modulus has higher precedence than the addition and subtraction. So the associativity of that multiplication, division and modulus is left to right, and add and subtract have the associativity left to right. Now next one is the relational operator. Less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, equal to, not equal to, these have the associativity left to right. Now logical operator, and, or, and not, these have also associativity left to right, and not have the associativity right to left. Now bitwise operator, the bitwise and, exclusive or and inclusive or, these have the associativity left to right. Then assignment operator, equal to, then star equal to, these have the associativity right to left. So friend, when we solve the expression, then we know this precedence table, operator precedence and associativity of each operator. Then we solve the expression in a proper manner. So friend, hope you have to understand this concept, operator precedence and associativity. Operator precedence means operator precedence determine the grouping of the term or expression and decide how an expression is evaluated. And associativity is nothing but when there are two or more operators of same precedence, then the associativity can be used to decide either it associate left to right or right to left, in that manner. So hope you have to understand today's lecture. If you have any query, then ask me. Thank you friend.